Hey, I got y'all today, man. This is something that you need to pay attention to. This is gonna go for everybody that's new to selling on StockX, or it's the first time you ever heard something like this happening. Yes, me, your boy DaVinci failed the authentication from StockX. And you won't believe why I failed. So we gotta talk about in today's video. I was a little, lost for words. Said, yo, did I really just do this? I talked about it in my video yesterday. I said I made a rookie. I'm talking about a rookie mistake. And yeah, I'll be completely transparent, 100% honest with you guys. Your boy failed authentication from StockX, man. Let's get into today's video. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video. You guys already know we are on the end hype of the Air Jordan 12 Blueberries. Probably one of the craziest releases in terms of people coming out the woodwork saying that they love them. They've been wanting them all year. I've been talking about them in your video. I said, bro, ain't nobody, and I mean nobody, talked about the Air Jordan 12 Blueberries. You guys know I make a bunch of shorts, make a bunch of reels talking about upcoming releases. And when I tell you it was nobody talking about these joints, bro, I'm talking about zero, zilch. It was nothing. And then it comes to the release date, people say, oh man, I've been anticipating these all year. This is my shoe of the year. But this all comes into what I've been saying all year, bro. If something sells out, that is when everybody loves a sneaker. But if a shoe sits, they call it trash. I do not understand it at all, bro. We gotta come to some type of an agreement, bro. You can't call everything sitting trash. You can't call everything that's sold out fire. Like we gotta have a common ground here. We gotta meet in the middle, but just let people buy what they like. If I come over here, you know what I'm saying? Let me just pick a random shoe right here. Boom. Perfect example. If I come here saying I love these little yachties, you know what I'm saying? And just because they're not going for a lot of money, just because they didn't sell out instantaneously, they did sell out. You know what I'm saying? Let me not say that, but I'm just giving you guys a point in case. Just because I love this plain Jane sneaker, y'all can't be mad at me or nobody else in the comment section or in the sneaker community, bro. It ain't just me, bro. I just felt, found this Air Jordan 12 Blueberry release just crazy, bro. Like, I don't know what happened, bro. Now all of a sudden, people love them. But nobody talking about these things. Everybody's talking about the Legend Blues and the Blacksmith 3s. Everybody's like, oh, I'm not buying nothing else this year, just those two. And then these come up, they sell out, and now all of a sudden people love them. Come on, y'all. Like, let's cut the crap. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and do your boy a favor and leave a huge like. Everybody watching, smack the like button. Them likes to go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. Yes, we need to get them likes up, and we need to get them comments up. As always, y'all been going crazy in the comment section. I'm like, bro, hey, you know what I'm saying? Leave a like or two for your boy DaVinci, man. But I do appreciate y'all, all of the support. If you're new here, go ahead and let us know down below in the comment section so we can give you guys a warm welcome to the Vintage Squad. All right, so you guys know I went crazy for a bunch of releases this year, like the Military Blues, like the Air Jordan 4 Rare Reimagines, like the Air Jordan 4 Fears. I had a crazy, Jordan 4 spree this year in terms of like tripping up bro, I got like 5 pairs of Military Blues. I said, yo, I'm tripping. I had to come to a realization, like, this is super irresponsible. So I had to start letting some pairs go. First to start on, whatnot, let some pairs go for some steals. And I was like, yo, I gotta start letting pairs go. And I always sold stuff on Go and StockX. Never got too big in the eBay. It's kind of hard if you ain't got clientele, but I was trying to let some pairs go. And I had to let go of my 3rd pair of Air Jordan 4 Fears. And you guys probably like, yo, why did you fail the authentication from StockX? And we're going ahead and get straight into it. When I got the email, bro, I was literally lost for words. I said, it's no way I did that. It's no way I did that. It's like a rookie. This is not even a rookie mistake. This is just a crazy mistake by somebody that just didn't know what was going on. So I'm about to pull them out right now. You know what I'm saying? I got to build the anticipation up so you guys can know. And y'all can just, please talk trash to me down below in the comment section. Here they go, man. Here goes the Jordan 4 Fears. This is the 3rd pair that I did end up grabbing. I doubled up, and then I forgot I bought a pair from the Go app, and I did that, double up video. But here they go. And this is crazy, bro. I'm about to let you guys know exactly what happened. This is live. I'm not going to edit it. You guys see me open the box up. You guys see me have these shoes right here. And I'm going to open them up. You guys are going to tell me what is wrong with the picture. Y'all got to tell me what's wrong with the picture let's go ahead and check it out. Y'all gonna be mad at me. Look at this. Look what I did, bro. Look at this. These are both left shoes, man. I sent StockX 2 left feet. How does someone do this, bro? I know whoever was authenticating the shoe, they were probably like, what in the hell is wrong with buddy that sold us the shoes? They don't leave no note in here, but I am gonna send the screen, put a screenshot up here so you guys can see what I did. This happened, bro. And this is just my, me telling my story, me helping you guys out. You gotta watch what you are selling, man. Do not be like me. Look at this. Look at what I did, bro. 2 left shoes. Like, yo, I literally could not believe I did that. And I said, yo, I gotta make this video, This, of course, talking about, not pass authentication. So something that did happen with me not passing the authentication was me getting charged a $15 fee. I think the fees do go up every time you do, sell something that's not authenticated. Granted, this is not a fake shoe, so let's not get, authentic and fake combined with these right here. I just did not pass the authentication. I sent them 2 left sneakers, bro. I sent them 2 left sneakers, and that's how I failed. And I got charged a $15 penalty. And this is my first time. Like, that's why I'm a little confused. This is my first time not passing authentication. I was like, bro, if they said, the first email I got said you failed authentication, I said, how? Like, I know this pair ain't fake. I got this from Go. I got these 2 pairs from City Gear and Foot Locker. How is the pair fake? That's just first thought, first thing I thought. And I clicked on the email. They said, yeah, you failed because you sent in 2 left shoes. Since this is your first time, you may be charged a $15 penalty. And yes, I did get charged that $15 penalty for selling, unauthentic, or it didn't pass the authentication. You know what I'm saying? They ain't unauthentic. They ain't UAs. I just sent them 2 left feet. And there's nobody in this world with 2 left feet that I know of, especially trying to grab a pair of Air Jordan 4 fears. So that's something to, look at. Let's put these to the side, bro. Let's put those Air Jordan 4s to the side. Again, do not do that. Make sure you're checking your pairs. Make sure you have everything in there. I know somebody I know, they sold a pair of these, was it the 4 fears or what was it? And there's another shoe that had this little cardboard on there, and they failed them because it did not have the shoe tree. Never heard that before. I think that was on Go, actually. That happened on Go, and they had to take less money, and then this buyer was, willing to not be tripping about the cardboard. Crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? But it happens. It definitely does happen. It even happened to your boy DaVinci. Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes. But just know, if you do sell something that's fake, or don't pass the authentication process on StockX, you're gonna get charged a $15 fee. They didn't say it's gonna be any other penalties on my account. They're not gonna, lock my account out. So if I did wanna, sell them again, all I can do is add them back on there and make sure I get the right dang on shoe. I got so many shoe boxes, so many shoes everywhere. It's so crazy that I didn't even know I tripled up on the Air Jordan 3 black cements. You guys know I've been telling you I'm not too crazy about them, but I was buying pairs from here and there, and next thing you know, I got 3 pairs just sitting right over there. I'm like, bro, how did this happen? So I'm definitely gonna be more intentional and knowing what I am securing, making sure stuff is in the right boxes, so this mistake does not happen again, and just to be a little bit, be more organized. But when you're making so many videos, when you know what I'm saying, doing comparisons and stuff like that, stuff gets mixed up. So that's just something to be aware of when you are, dealing with sneakers, selling them. This could happen anywhere. This could have happened to somebody that I hit up on Instagram saying that they want them, and I could have sent them 2 left feet, and that would have been on me at the end of the day. So it is my fault. I got charged that $15 penalty, you know what I'm saying? It's just $15. But at the end of the day, I would have much rather had the, $160 payout for these Air Jordan 4 fears. Another thing that I did want to point out is these Air Jordan 4 fears, the Air Jordan 4 military blues, the Air Jordan 4, wet cements. All the Air Jordan 4s that did release this year, the prices are at the lowest it is going to be. Trust me, I'm telling y'all, this is the lowest they are going to be when it does comes to these Air Jordan 4s we got this year. 4s always increase, and especially Jordan 3s. Those 2 silhouettes, they definitely took the wave from the 1s, and the 3s and 4s have been rising like crazy over the past couple of years. So if it's the fears is something you want, they ain't gonna release for a very, very long time, I would pull the trigger ASAP, because next year it's a bunch more drops coming out that you're gonna have to prioritize. So you gotta sneak in a couple of those grail pickups, or some of them pickups that you regret not picking up, if that makes sense. So go out there, get these Jordan 4s. I'm telling you, trust me when I tell you this. And I did make a video talking about some Jordan 4s or top 10 Jordan 4s that you should grab. So if you want to check that video, I'm gonna leave a card up here. You can just check the channel and see which Jordan 4s I'm talking about. I'm telling y'all, bro, next year they're gonna all shoot up in resale. They're gonna be regretting it later. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. It is always greatly appreciated. If you guys are new here, you guys already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. And make sure you guys go spin the video for the Asian 5 Black Metallics. I just dropped a reel of them on Instagram, and I'm gonna drop a YouTube short today just so you guys can check them out, see what the things is hitting for. I'm loving them. It's gonna be a double up for me, even though I do have the 2016 Black Cements. You know, them things yellow. So we gotta put some more 5s, Black Metallic 5s in rotation because I pulled the Black Metallics out from 2016 and the fit was fresh. The yellow was, you know what I'm saying, looking real classic and nostalgic. And yeah, the fit was A1 in my opinion, man. But again, I love y'all. Smack that like button, sub up, go crazy in the comment section. Let me know if you ever failed authentication or failed any test from GOAT StockX. I am very interested in knowing what had happened. But you know, so I say all to say, make sure you check your pairs. Don't send in 2 left feet. Don't send in 2 right feet. Don't send the wrong size. That happened to me before too. But yeah, guys, make sure you check your pairs before you sell them on StockX, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. With all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.